Welcome back to another MedRevisions video. Today we'll discuss a November 2020 recall and also give you some helpful tips for the upcoming exams. And hopefully that will bring you one step closer to passing the Plab 1 exam. Alright, let's dive right into the video. Before we discuss the question, take 50 seconds to pause the video and comment the answer down below. Okay, so let's get to the question. We have a 2-year-old girl who is brought to the GP by her mother with complaints of stridor and a barking cough. She has been having stridor and cough at night for the past 4 days. She has a temperature of 38.3, a pulse rate of 30, and a 99% oxygen saturation on air. On examination, her chest percussion is found to be resonant and no chest wall recessions. Her mother is concerned about the natural course of the disease. What is the most likely outcome of this disease if left untreated? The correct answer here is complete recovery. Okay? So, let's see why, but before that, don't forget to smash that like button. It wouldn't even take a second. Help us help you. And also comment down below on any other topics you'd like us to cover in the future. Make sure you check out the reviews from our past Plab candidates. The link is in the description below. Okay, so as I said, the correct answer is complete recovery. Now this is an uncomplicated case of laryngeal tracheal bronchitis, also known as croup. It usually has a very good prognosis of complete recovery if left untreated. Okay, so what about respiratory alkalosis? Now, respiratory alkalosis is something you would expect or which would result from hyperventilation, for example, during a panic attack. And it's not the correct answer here. And bronchiectasis is an irreversible dilatation of the bronchioles, which is usually found in adults. So that is not the correct answer here either. Now, tracheal stenosis can happen as a complication of treatments such as endotracheal intubation, tracheostomy, radiotherapy, cancer, external injury, and other congenital conditions. So this is not the correct answer. And what about laryngeal stenosis? And again, that can occur after placing a breathing tube, after throat trauma, or as a result of an autoimmune disease, or even from an unknown cause. So not the correct answer either. So once again, croup is common in infants and toddlers, and it's characterized by stridor as well as laryngeal edema, and it is mostly caused by parainfluenza viruses. So the peak incidence is around 6 months to 3 years, and if left untreated, it has a very good prognosis. Also, since this is an uncomplicated case of croup. Alright, so you can find further details of croup and other conditions in pediatrics as well as other subjects in our MedRevisions platform, so be sure to check it out and also attempt as many questions as you can. Okay, I hope that question was clear for everyone and you learned something. Thanks for watching. This video was brought to you by MedRevisions, your go-to resource for Plab Part 1. Complete your revision with MedRevisions.